My name is Ronnie Jenkins. I work for Nivel Part, and my position is rider. Well, first of all, I start my machine up, get that started, get that running pretty good, and I find my material, and then I bring my material to me. If I don't have a forklift, I use the pallet jack. Then I open the material, take it out, and I start putting it on the table, and I push start. The next step, I put them on the table, and then they go to bending. The bending, they press them and bend and move them to packing. I love operating the machine and learning about it and seeing what it'll do so that I can be able to adjust to learning more skill about the machine. So I really take pride in what I do right here at Nivel. Well, Nivel came through, I want to say about 2 years ago here in Cairo and found the job. I was looking for something and I found Nivel and I like staying to this place. My team is very coordinated. They work together as a team and we are like a family. The community know the difference. That's why everyone trying to come here to be at Nivel.